to another edition of Transportation Trivia. This is a takeover episode. Sorry, James. Sorry, Lauren. This is Aaron coming at you this week, and I'm joined by a great colleague. This is Caden, and what we're going to do today is see if you are smarter than a 3-year-old. Caden, are you smart?
Yeah!
Do you know every truck?
Yeah!
The NC Department of Transportation has so many different vehicles and so many different trucks, and Caden here thinks he knows what they all are. Caden, what is this?
Excavator!
An excavator. Caden, what is this one?
A bulldozer!
A front loader. And Caden, what is this one? The big one?
Dump truck!
A dump truck. So my 3-year-old apparently knows all these vehicles. The question to you this week is, do you know how many vehicles the NCDOT has for their construction projects at its disposal? Answer in the comments below, and we'd love to see your answers, and we'll get back to you tomorrow. Caden, one last question. What's this one?
A bulldozer!
A bulldozer. Thank you for watching. We'll talk to you again soon. Bye.